Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you how to get the Claude for free for 2 years. So I will show you a legal method, a nice little trick that you can use to use Claude AI, which is a really good AI for development coding. So all these models you will be able to use it for totally free. As of now, if you go to Claude AI, simply use your Google account. You can't use it, this Fable model. You do need to upgrade. So I will show you in this video how not to upgrade. You can get these for 2 years for totally free. So how to do this is very simple. You go to Google and there is a developer program which is going on at GitHub. If you directly type here GitHub student developer pack, so you just need to sign up right here if you are a student or if you are a teacher. You go to the link and after that you simply sign up. So right here it exactly tells you GitHub student developer pack. So once you sign up on this, you will be able to get all those things for 2 years straight. So these are all the, you will be able to get Copilot, GitHub, Foundations, web development, open source, everything. So these are all the offers which are come there. So now to do this sign up, it's very simple. You click on this button, sign up for your student pack. So right here, you will see this button start an application. Simply click on that and simply select from here whether you are a teacher or a student. Let me select I am a student, and right here you need to select the name of the school. So in the search bar, as soon as you are typing it, so many schools will come. So simply select your school right here and simply enter your email address. That's all that you need to do, and simply click share location, click on continue, and after that you need to submit this, either it can be a school ID, official, unofficial, transcript, syllabus, receipt, anything you can submit which proves that you are a student or a teacher. So if you want to submit the school ID, simply start the camera, just take the photograph and simply submit and click on the continue button. After that, you will be able to submit your application, and in our 24 hours, they will accept the application, and then you will be able to enroll in all these offers, 180 plus offers which are mentioned right here. One such offer is this website, which is Notion. So this Notion website is actually a very good website for accessing all models for completely free. So if you go to the website notion.com, so you can also enroll for a free account right here. So you can log in with your Google account right here. It's very simple. So once you sign up right here, you will be able to use, so they will send a verification code right here. So these are the two requirements. First of all, sign up for a GitHub student developer pack and then simply sign up on this website. So once you do that, it will be available for 2 years straight. So as you can see, I pasted the verification code that came, and now the setup process, you simply select these options and it will ready your account. So they have the free account as well, but you can try the pro account for totally free with this GitHub student developer pack. Apart from that, it has 180 plus websites which you will get access. You can check out all these websites. Once you sign up with the developer program, you will be able to get all these websites. So this is actually the, you will be able to get all these models as you see: Claude Sonnet, Opus, Fable 5, Opus 4.8. Let me select Opus 5 model and directly type a task. So it is relevant for if you're doing coding, if you are doing research work, if you are doing anything. So now as you can see, we are using Opus 5 and we provided this message and we are able to use it for completely free. So this website is really insane. As you see right here, we are using Claude Opus 5 here for totally free. We are simply log in with the account, and you will be able to use it for 2 years complete. As you can see it now, it is generating the code for us. So the first requirement is that you simply sign up inside GitHub developer pack, and after signing it up, simply go to notion.com and you will be able to access for 2 years straight. So this is a legal method, a great trick by which you can use the Claude for 2 years straight. So as you can see, it's still generating the code for us. So you can see that it generated the application for us. So you can go to notion.com and directly select any model here from the drop down. Apart from Claude, it also have Grok, all the premium AI models in a single website. So this is notion.com. Definitely check this out. And please hit that like button, subscribe to channel, and also comment on this video.